Are you facing trouble washing small clothes? Or are you looking for an easy laundry solution while traveling, camping, or living in an apartment? In today's video, we'll take a look at an amazing portable washing machine that will solve all these problems. The biggest advantage of this portable washing machine is its folding design. It's designed to be easily carried around. Whether you're traveling, camping, or living in a small apartment, dorm, or even in a hotel, you can easily use this machine. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, it becomes even more convenient. The machine is made with food-grade silicone and TPE materials, ensuring it's completely safe and eco-friendly. It's safe for both you and your family, even when washing baby clothes. This machine comes with 3 intelligent cleaning modes: 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute timer settings. You can simply select your preferred time, press a button, and the washing will start. It makes the washing process very simple and quick. It not only saves your time, but also cleans clothes very effectively. It features a powerful motor that disperses water at high speed, removing even tough stains. It's particularly effective for washing baby clothes, underwear, and socks. The machine's blue light creates a calming environment during the washing process, helping you stay relaxed. If you're concerned about its capacity due to its size, don't worry. This machine has an 11-liter capacity. Allowing you to wash more clothes at once, you can easily wash a significant amount of clothes in one go. Additionally, it comes with some useful accessories such as a laundry bag, bottom basket, expansion basket, and folding hangers. The laundry bag will keep your clothes organized while washing, and the folding hangers allow you to easily dry your clothes. This machine also includes a plastic drainage pipe, which helps drain water easily. After washing, simply hang the clothes on the folding hangers and you're done. Lastly, it's extremely easy to operate and saves both time and effort when doing laundry. Its portability allows you to use it anywhere, anytime. After washing, simply hang the clothes on the folding hangers and you're done. Lastly, it's extremely easy to operate and saves both time and effort when doing laundry. Its portability allows you to use it anywhere, anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful product reviews and solutions like this. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.